Hello, dear young learners. A very warm welcome to your class 7th English class with your educator, Aprajita. And here we start with chapter number 2, that is The Lost Boy. So, let's read about this lost boy. Let's warm up first, as we always do. How do you feel when you get a gift from somebody? Yes, when you get gifts, आपको कोई भी gifts देते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगता है? You are excited to open it, to see it, what is there in it, and you are happy too. Do you feel happy and thank that person? Have you ever experienced the joy of giving also? आपने कभी लेने में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, when you get something you are very happy, but have you experienced कभी आपने किसी को कुछ दिया है? And when you give all that you have, what impact does it have on the other person? Read the heart-touching story about a child who was separated from his parents in a fair. एक ऐसे बच्चे की कहानी पढ़ते हैं आज हम जो कि एक मेले में खो गया था. It was the festival of spring. From the narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity, thick as a swarm of bright-colored rabbits issuing from a warren. They entered the flooded sea of sparkling silver sunshine outside the city gates and sped towards the fair. अब फेस्टिवल का टाइम था. फेस्टिवल किसका? फेस्टिवल ऑफ स्प्रिंग. एंड बहुत पतली पतली लेन्स में से एक ह्यूमैनिटी, गेली क्लैड ह्यूमैनिटी, खुश जो लोग थे, when the people are very happy and they come, see, look, all these people are coming in a fair. एक मेले में ये सब लोग जा रहे थे. Some walked, some rode on horses. अब ये जो इतने सारे लोग थे जो आ रहे थे मेले में, ये सब कैसे आ रहे थे? कुछ walking थे, they were walking and somebody was riding the horse. Others sat being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. कुछ लोग बुलक कार्ट्स में आ रहे थे, कुछ लोग हॉर्स पे आ रहे थे, कुछ लोग चल के आ रहे थे. One little boy ran between his parents' legs, brimming over with life and laughter. एक छोटा सा बच्चा अपने पेरेंट्स के पैरों के बीच में से दौड़ता हुआ, बहुत खुश हंसता हुआ आया. The joyous morning have greetings and unashamed invitations for all to me away into the fields, full of flowers and songs. Everybody was very happy. Come, child, come, called his parents as he lagged behind, arrested by the toys on the shops that lined the way. अब वहाँ क्या थे? बहुत सारी टॉयज की शॉप्स थी जो लाइन में एक के बाद एक थी. एंड दैट बॉय वॉज अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स दोज शॉप. इसलिए वो अपने पेरेंट्स से पीछे रह गया था. वो उन टॉय शॉप्स को देख रहा था. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. वो दौड़ के, जब उसके पेरेंट्स ने बुलाया, वो दौड़ के अपने पेरेंट्स के पास गया, उनका कहना मानते हुए, लेकिन उसकी आंखें अभी भी उन टॉय शॉप्स पे ही थी. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. अब वो दौड़ के जब अपने पेरेंट्स के पास आया जहाँ वो रुके थे उसके लिए, क्योंकि वो पीछे रह गया था, वहाँ आके वो अपने डिज़ायर को छुपा नहीं पाया, अपनी इच्छा को छुपा नहीं पाया उन टॉयज़ के लिए, लेकिन उसको अपने पेरेंट्स के आंखों में साफ रिफ्यूज़ल दिख रहा था. I want that toy, he pleaded. उसने रिक्वेस्ट किया अपने पेरेंट्स से कि मुझे वो टॉय चाहिए. His father looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to catch, said, "Look, child, what is before you?" Now, father तो बहुत गुस्से से father ने मना कर दिया as usual, but उसकी जो mother थी वो बहुत टेंडरली, बहुत जेंटली उन्होंने क्या किया? अपने फिंगर दिया उस बच्चे को और उसको बोला इसको पकड़ो. एंड शी सेड, आगे देखो, जो चीज़ें आगे आ रही हैं, सामने आ रही हैं, वो देखो. The faint disgust of child's unfulfilled desire had hardly been quelled in the heavy, pouting sob of a breath. Mother, it happens no when you want something, आपको कुछ चाहिए होता है और आपको नहीं मिलता है, आपके पेरेंट्स रिफ्यूज़ कर देते हैं, कोई रिफ्यूज़ कर देता है, तो आप धीरे से फिर से एक बार कोशिश करते हैं. When the pleasure of what was before him filled his eager eye, they had left the dusty road on which they had walked so far. अब वो रोड छोड़ दिया था उन्होंने जहाँ पे अब तक वो ट्रैवल कर रहे थे. They had come upon a footpath in a field. एक फील्ड में फुटपाथ था, वहां पे आ गए. It was a powering mustard, pale like melting gold, as it swept across miles and miles of even land, a river of yellow. The child looked up to his father, saturated with the shrill joy and wonder of this vast glory. Now, when he saw this, he was very happy. He left the footpath and plunged headlong into the field, prancing like a young colt, his small feet timing with the gusts of wind that came rich with the fragrance of more distant fields. अब होता है ना, जब वास्ट फील्ड्स होते हैं वहाँ पे जाके, when there are very big fields, वहाँ पे वो बड़े बड़े fields देख के that little boy was very happy and he started dancing along in the field, along with the wind. A group of dragonflies was bustling about on their gaudy purple wings, intercepting the flight of a lone black butterfly in search of sweetness from the flowers. Now, when you are in the field में वो dragonflies भी आती हैं. You must have seen the dragonflies. They were flying, और black butterfly भी वहाँ थी. वो flowers पे nectar इकट्ठा करने के लिए बैठ रही थी. The child followed them in the air with his gaze, till one of them would fold its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it. It happens so, there are many children who try to catch the butterfly. और जैसी butterfly बैठती थी किसी flower पे अपने wings fold करके, वो बच्चा उसको जाके पकड़ने की कोशिश करता. But it would go fluttering, flapping up into the air when he had almost caught it in his hands. One bold black bee, having evaded capture, sought to tempt him by whinnying around his ear and nearly settled on his lips when his mother gave a cautionary call. Come, child, come on to the footpath. Now again, when he was playing like this in the field, his mother again called him. Come, बुलाया कि अब वहां से इधर आ जाओ फुटपाथ पे. He ran towards his parents gaily and walked abreast of them for a while, being, however, soon left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding place to enjoy the sunshine. अब बहुत bright morning था वो, the sunshine was also there. तो उस जब मदर ने बुलाया उस बच्चे को कि फील्ड में से यहाँ पे फुटपाथ पे आ जाओ, तो वो आ गया फुटपाथ पे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे फिर से वो पीछे रह गया. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अट्रैक्ट हो रहा था उन इंसेक्ट से जो कि वहाँ पे धीरे धीरे उस सनशाइन को एंजॉय करने के लिए निकल रहे थे. Come, child, come, his parents called from the shade of a grove where they had seated themselves on the edge of a well. He ran towards them. Again his parents called, and again he ran to them. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove, and forgetting his parents, he began to gather the raining petals in his hands. अब उसके पेरेंट्स तो वहाँ पे एक वेल की जो कुआं होता है उसकी एज पे जाके वो सीटेड वो बैठ गए, और ये बच्चा जब बुलाया इसको तो ये आ रहा था दौड़ के. He ran towards them, but क्या हुआ? जैसे ही वो ग्रूव में उसने एंटर किया तो उसके ऊपर कुछ पेटल्स गिरे, कुछ पत्ते गिरे, and he started collecting those raining petals. But lo, he heard the cooing of the doves and ran towards his parents shouting, "T-dove, the dove!" The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands. A curious look was in his parents' faces till a quail stuck out a note of love and released their pent up souls. Now, अब उसको बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिख रही थी क्योंकि वहाँ that was a field and there many things were there. So अब उसने जब पेटल्स इकट्ठे किए, उसके पेरेंट्स ने फिर बुलाया, वो दौड़ा और दौड़ते हुए वो भूल गया उसके हाथ में पेटल्स हैं, उसको डव दिखाई दिया. वो पेरेंट्स को बताने लगा देखो द डव एंड वो रेनिंग पेटल्स जो थे वो उसके हाथ से गिर गए जो उसने इकट्ठे किए थे. As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs converging to the whirlpool of the fair, and felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. Now, जैसे जैसे वो विलेज के पास पहुंचने लगे, उसको बहुत सारी और अलग अलग तरह की चीजें दिखी वहाँ. A sweet meat seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and a crowd pressed round his counter at the foot of an architect of many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold. And तभी उसको क्या सुनाई दिया, एक स्वीट मीट सेलर क्या आवाज लगा रहा था, गुलाब जामुन, जलेबी, रसगुल्ला, and the crowd, many people, they went and crowded there. The child stared open-eyed and his mouth watered for the barfi that was his favorite sweet. और वहाँ पे इतने सारे स्वीट्स देख के वो जो बच्चा था उसके मुंह में पानी आ गया क्योंकि उसको बर्फी बहुत पसंद थी. I want that barfi, he slowly murmured. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents say he was greedy. उसने मांगा तो, उसने कहा तो कि मुझे ये बर्फी चाहिए, लेकिन उसे पता था कि उसको वो नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि उसके पेरेंट्स सोचते थे वो बहुत लालची. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. A flower seller hawked. अब देखिए और कितने तरह के लोगों से मुलाकात हुई उसकी. A flower seller hawked a garland of gulmohar, a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn by the implacable sweetness of the scents that came floating on the wings of the languid air. अब वो जो गुलमोहर की स्वीट स्मेल थी वो चारों तरफ फैल रही थी and he was very attracted towards them. Because a flower seller was selling garlands of gulmohar. He went towards the basket where the flowers were heaped and half murmured, I want that garland. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say they were cheap. उसको पहले ही पता था, वो मांगा उसने ज़रूर, लेकिन उसको पता था कि उसको नहीं मिलेगा. उसके पेरेंट्स यही बोलेंगे कि they were very cheap. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. अब यहाँ से भी वो आगे बढ़ गया. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green and purple balloons flying from it. अब एक balloon seller उसको देखा. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of the silken colors, and he was possessed by 10 overwhelming desire to possess them all. अब उसको वो सब चाहिए था. But he well knew his parents would never buy the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he walked on further. यहाँ भी उससे पता था कि मांगूंगा तो मिलेगा तो है नहीं मुझे, क्योंकि उसके पेरेंट्स यही कहेंगे कि तुम अब बड़े हो चुके हो, ये सब नहीं, इन सब के खेलने के लायक नहीं हो. A juggler stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket. He raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan. वो जो snake था वो charmer flute play कर रहा था and वो juggler जो था वो flute play कर रहा था और वो snake, it was coiled in a basket. While the music stole into its invisible bend like the gentle rippling of a miniature waterfall. The child went towards the juggler, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the jugglers play, he proceeded further. यहाँ से भी वो आगे चला गया क्योंकि उसको पता था कि उसके पेरेंट्स ने मना किया हुआ था कि ऐसे कोर्स म्यूजिक नहीं सुनो, जगलर्स के पास नहीं जाना. There was roundabout in full swing. Men, women, and children carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with a dizzy laughter. The giant wheel. Roundabout is the giant wheel, children. The child watched them intently, going round and round, a pink blush of a smile on his face, his eyes rippling with the same movement, his lips parted in amazement, till he felt that he himself was being carried around. The ring seemed to go fiercely at first, then gradually it began to move less fast. पहले बहुत तेज घूम रहा था वो, फिर वो धीरे 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 हो गया. Presently, the child, wrapped finger in his mouth, beheld it stop. Now, this time, before his overpowering lover, for the anticipated sensation of movement had been chilled by the thoughts of his parents' eternal denial, he made a bold request. Now, इस बार उसने उसके पेरेंट्स उसको डिनाई करें, उसकी बातों को मना करें, उससे पहले उसने एक बोल्ड रिक्वेस्ट की. I want to go to the roundabout. Please, father, mother. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there ahead of him. He turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. इस बार उसने एक बोल्ड रिक्वेस्ट की कि फादर मदर मैं इस राउंड अबाउट पे बैठना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन जब कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया उसने देखा न तो उसके पेरेंट्स उसके आगे थे, न पीछे थे, न साइड में, कहीं भी उसको नहीं दिखे उसके पेरेंट्स. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body ran from where he stood, crying in red fear, "Mother, father!" अब वो डर गया, वो छोटा सा बच्चा वो डर गया जब उसने देखा कि उसके चारों तरफ कहीं भी उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं. And he started crying, and he started calling mother and father. Tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. अब उसका वो रो के उसका वो बहुत ज़्यादा रोने लगा, because he was frightened कि where has he lost. And panic-stricken, he ran to one side first, then to other, hither and thither. अब जब क्या होता है, जब आप डर जाते हैं तो और डर जाते हैं कि आप अकेले हैं, आपके साथ कोई नहीं है, you start crying and you start running here and there, looking for people in all directions, knowing not where to go. अब उसे वहाँ नहीं पता था कि कहाँ जाना है, वो कहाँ ढूंढे अपने पेरेंट्स को. Mother, father, he wailed with a moist, shrill breath now, his throat being wet with swallowing the spittle. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes wet with perspiration. And his clothes, wet with perspiration, became muddy where the dust had mixed with sweat of his body. His light frame seemed heavy as mass of lead. Now what happened? This child was so frightened, इतना डर गया था, वो दौड़ते दौड़ते इधर उधर ढूंढते ढूंढते उसको पसीना आ गया और उसके ऊपर जो डस्ट था उससे सब उसके जो कपड़े थे वो मडी हो गए. Having run to and fro in range of running for a while, he stood defeated, his cries suppressed into sobs. At little distance on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes men and women talking. अब थोड़ी दूर में ही जब वो उसको कोई नहीं मिला, all was in vain, जो भी उसने कोशिश की ढूंढने की, तो उसे थोड़ी दूर पे ग्रीन ग्रास के ऊपर कुछ लोग दिखे जो आपस में बातें कर रहे थे. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. अब उन लोगों में भी उसने ढूंढा अपने मदर फादर को, लेकिन वो कहीं नहीं मिले. He ran hotly again, this time to a shrine to which people seemed to be crowding. Every little inch of space here was congested with men, but he ran through people's legs, his little job lingering. Mother, father, अब वो वहाँ एक जगह पे बहुत भीड़ थी, लेकिन उस भीड़ में भी वो लोगों के बीच में से घुस के अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढ रहा था. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. अब जो जहाँ पे वो क्राउड था, वो एंट्रेंस था एक टेम्पल का, वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था. Men jostled each other. The poor child struggled to thrust her way between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal at the highest pitch of his voice. Father, mother. अब उतनी भीड़ में वो पैरों के बीच में से, लोगों के पैरों के बीच में से दौड़ता हुआ, भागता हुआ, चिल्ला रहा था, अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढ रहा था. लेकिन उसका वो क्या हो रहा था, ही वॉज नॉक्ड टू एंड फ्रो, क्योंकि लोग थे, इतनी भीड़ थी, कोई देख नहीं पा रहा था उस छोटे से बच्चे को. A man in the surging crowd heard his cry and stopping with very great difficulty lifted him up in his arms. अचानक से एक आदमी ने उसकी आवाज़ सुनी, रोने की आवाज़ सुनी, और उसको बड़ी मुश्किल से वहाँ से उठा के अपनी गोद में ले लिया. How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked, and he steered clear of the mass. उसने गोद में उठा के उससे पूछा, तुम किसके बच्चे हो, कहाँ से आए, तुम यहाँ कैसे आ गए? The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. लेकिन वो बच्चा बस रोए जा रहा था और बोल रहा था कि मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स चाहिए, मुझे मेरे मदर चाहिए, मेरे फादर चाहिए. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. Will you have a lift on the horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. अब वो उसको शांत करने के लिए उस बच्चे को, वो आदमी उसको राउंड अबाउट पे ले गया. उसने बोला कि क्या तुम हॉर्स पे बैठोगे? The child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए था, उसको उस वक्त केवल उसके पेरेंट्स चाहिए. The man headed towards the place where the juggler still played on the flute to the dancing cobra. Listen to that nice music, child. He covered his ears with his fingers and shouted his double-pitched strain. I want my mother, I want my father. वो आदमी उसे जगलर के पास ले गया और बोला कि ये अच्छी सी म्यूजिक सुनो, तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा. लेकिन उसने क्या किया, उस बच्चे ने अपने कानों पे हाथ रख लिए, अपने कान बंद कर लिए और जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगा कि मुझे अपने मदर फादर चाहिए. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright color of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. Would you like a rainbow-colored balloon? He persuasively asked. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए था उस वक्त. The man, still in his kindly desire to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Look, you can smell those nice flowers, child. Would you like a garland to put around your neck? अब वो फ्लावर सेलर के पास लेके गया उसको शांत करने के लिए कि ये देख के वो शांत हो जाएगा, सुंदर सुंदर फ्लावर्स, गार्लैंड्स. और उससे पूछा कि क्या तुम्हें एक गार्लैंड चाहिए, माला चाहिए अपने गले में पहनने के लिए. The child turned his nose away from the basket and reiterated his sob. I want my mother, I want my father. लेकिन बच्चा तो एक ही बात बोल रहा था रोते रोते कि मुझे अपने मदर फादर चाहिए. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of sweet shop. What sweets you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed. I want my mother, I want my father. उस बच्चे ने उस स्वीट शॉप से भी अपना मुंह घुमा लिया. उसने कहा मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बस अपने मदर फादर चाहिए. So look, अभी तक उस बच्चे को when he was coming with his parents, he wanted all those things. तो सारी चीज़ें उसको चाहिए थी. उसने अपने पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट भी किया. लेकिन अब जब वो अपने पेरेंट्स से अलग हो गया तो उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए था, उसको बस अपने पेरेंट्स चाहिए थे. So these are the word meanings, children. Gaily, happily. Warm, place of rabbits. Lingering, continuing to exist. Quelled, stopped. Prancing, moving quickly, gaudy, it's brightly colored. Winning, making a long sound. Heeded, agreed. Languid, gracefully moving. Coarse, rough. Rapt, very interested. Convulsed, shabby. Hither and thither, in various directions. Wailed, cried, jostled, to push roughly in the crowd. Soothed, to calm down. Reiterated, repeated to emphasize. And disconsolate means dejected. Now let's do the comprehension here, children. Darken the correct option in OMR sheet. One dash ran between his parents' legs, brimming over with life and laughter. Girl, boy, man, woman. Boy. The child stared open-eyed and his mouth watered for the dash. Gulab jamun, samosa, barfi, jalebi. He liked barfi, so his mouth watered for barfi. The dash tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. Shopkeeper, doctor, woman, man. The man. The child turned his eyes from the flying dash, butterfly, balloons, aeroplanes, cars, balloons. Let's move further. Fill in the blanks. There are some words given in the box, children. Watered, spring, shower, familiar. It was the festival of what? Festival of spring. So write down spring here. His father looked at him red-eyed in his dash tyrant's way. Familiar. Same old. Familiar. Next is a dash of young flowers fell upon the child. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child. The child stared open-eyed and his mouth dashed for the barfi. His mouth, what happened? His mouth watered for the barfi. Okay? Now say if the given statements are true, T, or false, F. Boy's parents happily bought the child everything that he demanded. क्या उसके पेरेंट्स ने सब कुछ दे दिया था जो उसने डिमांड किया था? No. False. Right, F here. Boy's father looked at him with red eyes when he asked for a toy. Yes, true. The child knew that his parents would refuse everything. True, T. The child asked for a ride in the roundabout boldly. Yes, true. Fine? Let's move ahead. Answer the following questions. Where and with whom was the little boy going? The little boy was going to a fair with his mother and his father. Okay, now how did the little child move towards the fair? When the people were moving towards the fair, in between the parents' leg, from between the parents' leg came out a little child who was full of life and laughter, and he was enjoying moving along with the people to the fair. What all activities did the child do before reaching the fair? Before reaching the fair, on the way, he saw many things. The little child saw many things to which he was attracted, and he enjoyed all the way long. Firstly, he was attracted towards the toys which were being sold on the side of the road. Then he tried to catch the butterflies which he saw in the fields. Then he collected some petals which showered on him, and then he was attracted towards the flower seller who was selling the garlands. What did the child want after he was separated from his parents? After the child was separated from his parents, he didn't want anything. He just wanted his parents back. He just wanted to go to his mother and father. Okay, children, now we come to the vocabulary. Books come in different shapes and sizes, we all know, but their purpose is the same, to provide knowledge as well as entertainment. So books are for entertainment also and for knowledge also. Find 6 types of books in the following word grid. Here's a word grid given and इसमें से हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? 6 टाइप्स ऑफ बुक्स. किस किस तरह की बुक्स होती है? बहुत सारे तरह की होती हैं. फैंटेसी, थ्रिलर, biography, autobiography, then encyclopedia, dictionary. These are all the types of books. So let's find out. I'll find out few and you find out the rest. Okay? Okay, children. Let's find out. Are you able to see something here? Yes. Encyclopedia. See, encyclopedia. This is one type of book, children. Any other? Dictionary. Yes, I'm able to see this one. Dictionary. Fine. Any other book? Just go through it. Read it nicely. Find out from where you can. Yes, I'm able to see one more. E-book. Okay. So, rest 3 you find out. 3 I have found. 3 you will find out and complete it. Okay, children? Now, some words appear to be similar in pronunciation. कुछ words similar होते हैं. जब हम pronounce करते हैं उनको तो similar pronunciation होता है उनका. But they mean differently. उनका meaning different होता है. Here are a few pairs. Find out their meanings and use them in sentences of their own. Now, I'll just read them out. Find out the meanings because they'll be used in different way in the sentences. ADVICE, advice, and ADVISE, advice. Okay? Affect, effect. Opposite, opposite. Assent, accent. Bail, bail. Birth, birth. BERTH, birth. In the train while you go, there are births and BIRTH, birth means जब कोई पैदा होता है. Bear, bear. BARE, bear, BEAR, bear. Break, break. Cast, cast. Ceiling, ceiling. Further, farther. Patrol, patrol. Later, latter. Principal, principal. Waste, waste. Right, right. Bow, bow. Story, story. Story, one story which you listen from your grandmother or your parents, and STORY is the multi-storied buildings. Team, team. Vain, vain. Human, human. Now we come to the grammar. Today we'll read about the verbs. What are verbs? A verb is a word or a group of words that show what someone or something does. क्या कर रहा है? करने वाला, कार्य का करने वाला, काम का करने वाला. And in what state someone or something is. A verb indicates an action. Okay? They are known as action words also. An event and a state in present, past or future tense as performed by a subject or acted upon an object. Kinds of verbs. There are 2 kinds of verbs, transitive verb and intransitive verb. So let's read about the transitive verbs first. A transitive verb expresses an action that passes over from the subject to the object. एक ऐसा एक्शन शो करता है जो कि सब्जेक्ट से ऑब्जेक्ट पे ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. लाइक प्रीति रीड्स अ बुक. ओके, प्रीति क्या रीड कर रही है? बुक. सो रीड्स इज अ वर्ब. Matthew kicked the ball over the goal post. Now, intransitive verbs. When the action of a verb does not pass over to any object, the verb is said to be intransitive one. The dog barks loudly. Dog bark करता है. Dog की barking है, वो object पे transfer नहीं हुआ. Dog barks loudly. So, barks here is intransitive. Paramita is dancing. Dancing is again intransitive verb. Write in the space provided whether the verbs used in the following sentences are transitive or intransitive. Okay? The cat mewed softly. The cat mewed softly. This is intransitive verb, children. So, let's write here intransitive. Fine? Because it's not going to any other object. The cat, it's the cat's mew only. Okay? The elephant lifted its trunk. This is also intransitive, children. Intransitive. Because it's about the elephant only. Only the subject. It's about the subject only. Riddhima danced gracefully. Riddhima danced gracefully. This is also intransitive, children. This is intransitive. Fine. The lion roared ferociously. This is also intransitive. Now we'll write I-N-I-N. I for intransitive and T for transitive. The bus stopped to pick up more passengers. This is transitive. The breeze blows softly. This is intransitive, I. Najma was laughing loudly. This is also intransitive. Nina raised a lot of hue and cry over the issue. Nina raised a cry over the issue. Now this has been transferred, so this is transitive. Vicky was driving a black Mercedes. Vicky was driving a black Mercedes. So Vicky is subject and black Mercedes is an object. So this is transitive. The children skipped across the soft carpet of the fallen leaves. This is intransitive. I. Conjugation of verbs. Verbs forming their past tense by adding ed, d or t to the present tense are known as weak verbs. Those required only ed for this purpose are known as regular verbs. अब जिन verbs को verbs forming their past tense में जब हम कुछ बनाते हैं उसमें ed, d और t लगाते हैं present tense में, उन्हें कहते हैं weak verbs. And जिनको केवल ed की जरूरत होती है उन्हें कहते हैं regular verbs. Fine? Now weak and regular verbs. Let's read them. The following are commonly used weak verbs. Present, past and past participle. 3 forms of verb. Allow, allowed, allowed. Address, addressed, addressed. Ed, only ed is added here. Apply, applied, applied. Bring, brought, brought. T added to it. Buy, bought, bought. Breed, bred, bred. Cry, cried, cried. Keep, kept, kept. Lay, laid, laid. Learn, learnt, learnt. Lose, lost, lost. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Sell, sold, sold. Say, said, said. Send, sent, sent. Okay? Now, many more are there. Catch, caught, caught. Dried, dried, dried. Insure, insured, insured. See, ed, t, these are added to it. Gather, gathered, gathered. Help, helped, helped. Insure, insured, insured. Smell, smelled, smelt. Think, thought, thought. Tell, told, told. Try, tried, tried. Turn, turned, turned. Travel, travelled, travelled. Wait, waited, waited. Weep, wept, wept. Wake, woke, woken. Fine? These were some of the weak verbs. Now, there are few verbs which do not undergo any change in any of the forms. अब कुछ ऐसे verbs हैं जिनमें की कोई भी change नहीं होता किसी भी form में. Present, past participle. Cost, cost, cost. It remains the same. Spread, spread, spread. Cut, cut, cut. Cast, cast, cast. Rid, rid, rid. Shut, shut, shut. Hurt, hurt, hurt. So these are some of the verbs which don't have any change in any form of the verb. Now, strong or irregular verbs. Verbs forming their past tense by changing the vowel in the present tense are known as strong or irregular verbs. How? Present, past participle. Awake, awoke, awoken. Here, change कहाँ पे आया है? किस में आया है change? Vowel में. A vowel क्या था present में? Awake. A was the vowel which has changed into O. Awake का awoke हो गया, awoken. Beat, beat, beaten. Bite, bit, bitten. Do, did, done. Drive, I has changed to O. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Be, was, been. Bid, bade, bidden. Throw, threw, thrown. Get, got, got. Please go through them thoroughly. अच्छे से read कीजिएगा इन सारे words को and you'll find the change जो weak verbs हमने पढ़े अभी और irregular verbs में. Fine. Now write the correct conjugation of the verbs given below. Awoke. Here the present form will be awake, awoke and awoken. Fine. Go. Go, went and gone. Fine, children. Now, drive, drove. I'll fill few and rest of them you'll do it. Drive, drove, driven. Okay? V-E-N. Fight, fought, fought. So here we'll write fight, F-I-G-H-T. Fight, fought, fought, F-O-U-G-H-T. Okay? Fell, fall, fell, fell. Fine, children? Now complete the rest of them. Now speaking skills. Read the following conversation. Enact it with your partner in the class. A conversation is given here. You, आप और आपका एक friend. आप दोनों इस conversation को कर सकते हैं class में. How? Mahima and Nisha. Two characters are there. So one will enact as Mahima and the other will enact as Nisha. Mahima, Nisha, do you know any adult education center? Nisha replies, yes. I know one adult education center which is just 5 kilometers away from our colony. But why are you asking this? Mahima, my grandmother has studied up to class 5. She wants to study further. Nisha, oh, that's great. Now see, when you are in a conversation, you have to take care of your body language, of your expressions, the facial expressions. आप हर चीज का ध्यान रखना होता है because a conversation is a method through which with your expressions also you can make the other person understand many things. So Nisha, oh, that's great. I salute her enthusiasm and determination. Mahima, yes, I also feel proud that my grandmother wants to study further. Now writing skills, children. Write a paragraph about your parents that how do you feel when you are with them and when you are not with them. एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है आपको. क्या लिखना है उसमें? You have to mention that जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ होते हैं तब आपको कैसा फील होता है और जब वो नहीं होते हैं तब आपको, जब आप अकेले होते हैं तब आपको कैसा फील होता है. Fine? So do it, children. Values. Write the story about your parents. So this story has to be written by you because you know your parents very well. So एक story बनाइए अपने parents के लिए, a very good one, how they are, why do you like them, आप उनको क्यों पसंद करते हैं, what all are the things which you like in your parents, when they are with you, how you behave with your parents, how do you respect your parents. All those things have to be mentioned in this story. और story, आप story में क्या लिखना है कि आपके parents के साथ आप कहीं गए घूमने, आप picnic पे गए. You write a story about that when you went for a picnic with your parents, or when you were alone at home, your parents had gone outside. तब क्या हुआ, तब आपको कैसा feel हुआ. That also you can write here. Okay? So here we end up with the chapter. Stay tuned for a new video, children. We'll meet soon with a new chapter. Till then, bye. Have a happy learning.